Hey everyone, and welcome to Phantom Games and Tech. Today I'll be unboxing the core components of my new gaming PC, the 4K Phantom. There'll be at least one or two additional videos of the build, and then of course I'll be posting some gameplay, so be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you like the video so you catch all the great videos to come. Also, there are links in the description to all the parts of this unboxing if you'd like to pick one up for yourself. If you follow those, your purchase will support this channel without any additional cost to you. Let me know what you think of these components and what you'd like to see me play on the 4K Phantom. But in the meantime, for now, enjoy the unboxing. Starting off, I'm opening the NZXT S340 Elite. It is absolutely beautiful, and I personally was drawn to this case just because of the large tempered glass and the clean style. Next up is the Corsair RM850X power supply. I bought this and all the other components on Black Friday discounts, and this was probably a little overkill for this build, but it was the right price. Now for the motherboard. I wanted something simple but powerful, and this one really fit the bill. The ASUS Z170 Pro Gaming Aura had all the I/O ports I thought I needed for some modest growth, and a single strip of LED lighting on the back really gives it a nice, subtle, and classy glow in the case. It really turned out nice in the case with the video card, which of course is the last item on this unboxing. It's the ASUS GeForce GTX 1080 8GB graphics card, and this thing is an absolute beast. What's really nice about it is, of course, I'm sure you already know, it's VR capable and it's capable of handling many games at 4K native resolution, which is why I named this the 4K Phantom PC. I can't tell you how happy I am with this purchase. I've played a few games on it already, and it is absolutely stunning, the fidelity of the graphics. So let me know what you think of my core components for the 4K Phantom. Let me know in your comments, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you like this video. And if you don't, well, you know what to do. But be sure to come back and watch us build this thing in the next video coming in a few days. That's right, I captured just about all of the assembly of this computer on video, and we'll be putting together another YouTube post with all that footage. So stay tuned and come back soon.